Alright, today we have come across a question that says 120 men had food provisions for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men left that place. How long will the food last? So there are 2, 3, 4 different aspects of these questions. Let us go through those aspects one by one. The first, total number of men we had in the beginning is 120 men. And this 120 men had provisions for 200 days. This is our first aspect. Now in the second aspect they have said after 5 days, 30 men has left. That means from 120 men, 30 men has left the place. How long will the food last? This is what you need to find. So let us see how we can solve this. The first thing is, if we write number of men and number of days. Now as the concept says, after 5 days, 200 was our total number of days. After 5 days, 30 men left. So we can write 120 men can be fed 200 minus 5. That is 195 days. Whenever this sort of concept is given after 5 days or after 10 days, we always tends to subtract the days and put in equation. So we can say 120 men can be fed 195 days. Now in case of one man, obviously the men can be fed more. So 195 into 120. If 120 men can eat for 195 days, then one man will definitely be eating on more days. So for more we do multiplication. Now 30 men has left. 30 men has left the place. Previously we had 120 men. 30 men has left. So 120 minus 30, that gives us 90. 120 minus 30 is because 30 men has left. So 90 men will be feeding on 195 into 120 by 90. If one man is feeding on 195 into 120, 90 men if comes, obviously the amount of days will reduce. So for reduction we do division. So 0 and 0 gives off 9 and 12 if we cut by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 195 if we divide with 3 we get 3 6 are 18 and 5 65. So 65 into 4 is 270 days, and this is our final answer. Done.